Hello everyone, it's Paola. Today I am vlogging. Why? Because I feel like it. Because I feel like you guys need to know a little bit more about me, my everyday, what I work on, what I do, my life. It's kind of fun, you know, just doing random activities, errands, and work stuff. So come along with me as I vlog my day and what I do, what I get up to, and hopefully you enjoy. Okay, so first order of business is go to the post office for my new patron and send a postcard. It's actually international, that's why I gotta go to the post office because I have no idea how much postage to do. And go get bubble tea because why not? And the problem is there's a heat advisory today. It's like 90 degrees and I don't have air conditioning in my car, so that's nice. What's 90 degrees in Celsius? Like
I don't know, 30
something, 30 something, I don't know. Yeah. It's hot. Thank you. I get milk tea, just the regular milk tea with boba. And he copies me. I feel like that guy in that video where he drinks this and then it goes everywhere. He's like, I choked on something. So, what I'm going to do today for work, for a little bit of work, besides like emailing people, because I do have a lot of emails for like potential clients and stuff like that, which is great. I've been getting a lot of emails lately, but that's like kind of boring to show you. But I also am going to be creating some gradients to put together a gradient pack for my patrons over on Patreon for next month. So yeah, if you're a patron watching, get excited. But yeah, I just like doing stuff like this, and you guys know I just did the gradient video. I'm obsessed with gradients right now, and I just think it's cool to like give people like backgrounds that they can use, like maybe to showcase their work, a logo, something like just to post on Instagram, like whatever. So I figured I would make something like that. So let's get to it. So it's the next day because I got busy yesterday, my laptop, stuff that wasn't interesting for you guys. So I figured I'd continue it through my work week a little bit. I have a few things to do today. Today is mostly like YouTube related. Like I have some brand deal stuff to get back to, and then also I have to film a brand deal for an ad that I will show you guys very soon. I'm excited to share with you. So yeah, that's kind of like what I also have to get done in a day. Besides like designing stuff, I'm also doing like YouTube stuff, as I have definitely mentioned before. Like my job is kind of all over the place for what I do because I do so many different things at the moment, you know what I mean? But you know what I thought would be fun today is showing you what my favorite apps are on my iPad for like designing work organization. This can be helpful for everyone, you know, you don't just have to be a freelancer to do this type of stuff. I wanted to show like organization tips. Like it's nice to get ahead in your career and feel organized. I keep a lot of stuff in my brain and it's not always the best way to do things. Like I really need to write things down, organize myself, schedule myself, make notes of like things I need to do on a daily basis, weekly basis. So I'm going to show you what I use to stay organized and just apps I like to use for creativity and help. Okay, so I thought I'd get a little more comfortable before I talk to you guys. But here is my iPad. You guys have probably seen it. I think I've definitely talked about it. Like when I got it, I was excited. It's like the 7th generation iPad. It's not a Pro. It has the 1st gen pencil because it's the one that is compatible with the ones that aren't Pros. So it just doesn't have like some of the features, but honestly I found it good enough for me, so I just went with that type of iPad. It was more affordable, to be honest, so didn't find it worth it as a designer to go into that. I don't do a ton of illustration, so if you're more into illustration, I think maybe a Pro would be better for you, but weigh the pros and cons for yourself, I would say. Okay, I'm not about to show you like a million apps, but here are the ones that I wanted to share. First, Procreate. So Procreate is the kind of like illustration app for iPad, which is what a lot of professionals use. It costs a bit of money. I think it costs like $10 or $20, but then you have it. I mean, it's like a one-time purchase, and then you get to go crazy and create to your heart's content. So yeah, this is where you can do illustration, practice, and I open it to try lots of different things. I mean, I've done a few little illustrations, like little prints and like some phone backgrounds on here, and it's really fun just to figure out what you can do with it. I'm still really learning it. There's definitely like a lot I need to learn with it, but that's my favorite illustration app and the reason I would say to get an iPad if you want to get into like creative work. Okay, the next one, really excited. Flow. Flow is like a journaling app technically. Like I think it's from Moleskine. Yeah, it's amazing just because like you can have all these different things. Oh, sorry about the reflection. But you can have all these different like notes, and then you can organize yourself, and you can do like schedules. Like in this one I did kind of like a schedule, as you can see. Not a schedule I stick to, but as you can see here, like I did a schedule in all different colors, and it was just a really nice way to like organize myself. And also on here's where I write down like tons of YouTube ideas. Like I make lists on here, so it's really good for that too. If you were like really creative and wanted to go all out and like bullet journal on here, you could even do that too. That one is a subscription service, but I pay yearly to like save money, so I don't pay like every single month. Also have the Photoshop and Illustrator apps for the iPad, and I really do like them. I've mentioned them in a video and I showed like how Illustrator worked, and I actually really did enjoy it. But then another cool one that I wanted to share is Astropad. I believe this one is another subscription-based one. It's not too much though, but basically what you do is you connect through your Wi-Fi and you download this also onto your computer, like this program, and then you can actually screen share. So it's really amazing. Like when I make thumbnails and when I want to draw like with my pencil onto like Photoshop or Illustrator or anything, like if I want to actually like use the pencil and make it easier for myself, all I have to do is open Astropad on both laptop and iPad like apps, and then it'll pop up on the iPad what's on your computer screen. So it's really, really cool actually. None of this is sponsored, by the way. I'm literally just talking about what I love, but it's so cool because I've used it for thumbnails all the time where I like want to have just like lines or just like some scribbles or handwriting or something. So much easier to do Photoshop stuff like that. Just like open the brush tool, whatever brush you want, and just draw. Those are just a few of my apps. I'm really, really looking for like a calendar like fill-in app, so if you guys have any suggestions for me, let me know, because I really want to get more organized. I have so many ideas for future plans, future business plans, stuff like that, and to-do lists and stuff. I just need to like get myself on track. So if you have any suggestions, let me know. But yeah, those are my favorite iPad apps, and I thought maybe it would help you guys. I don't know. Okay everyone, that's all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed like a little bit more of my life and stuff in a vlog. I really want to do like more actual lifestyle vlogs, and obviously I want to have stuff to do in them, so like let me know what you guys want to see. Also like and subscribe, like I always say. Yeah, like this video if you liked it. It really helps. And I'll see you in my next video. Okay, bye. Okay, oh my god, I kicked it.